They just called the cops on us, but whatever.
Stop the cuffs on them!
Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new to the channel, my name is Cody and this is Crushin Gears. Well, it's one of the last events of the year for a cruise, so we are out with the boys and girls. So look at some cars, and we got some beautiful cars here today, and then let's go on a cruise.
Your relationships are never meant to last.
We've got a beautiful, beautiful paint job on this second gen Gallardo. It looks black, but it's actually blue if you guys can pick that up. It's very nice. I do want one of these in my future. The first gen gated, that'd be very sick. We've seen this one before. This is a sick car. It's got a nice wrap done to it. Got the Aston, the GTR, the old Porsche Carrera. We got a nice R8. S5, got an NSX. What do you guys think of the NSX, the new one? Leave a comment down below. All that carbon fiber. Got the brand new Huracan Evo. Man, I love this car.
It's interesting, but I think they should have done a little bit more.
Got Saturn's car. I think he added the red trim right here. Nice little touch to tie into the wrap. Got a ski box on a Lambo. This is nicely done. Got an M4 GTS. This thing's sick. Got a beautifully spec'd 720. My favorite touch is right there on the calipers. It's nice. This thing sounds mean too. If you guys could take one car here, which car would it be? Which car would it be? Out of all these beautiful cars, I would personally take, I think I would take the Evo, just because the Huracan is such a great platform, and this thing, I mean, it's such a great upgrade. The 610 was beautiful. I didn't like the 580, but the Evo is perfect. It's got the Performante upgrades and all that stuff. And well, the 600, you know, I've already tried. So I think I would personally take the Evo. Let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, a little bit of a story time here. So we took the car recently to get detailed. I won't name any names or anything like that, but I just want to show you guys how good the PPF is, and thankfully we did the whole car in PPF. Never done that before, but on this car we did. I want to show you guys why you should always PPF your cars. Look right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. This PPF isn't fine, but the carbon fiber is actually fine. So the PPF actually protected the car there. If you guys can see. Guys, an SVJ just showed up. This thing I've seen in pictures, this thing's sick. It's perfectly spec'd. It's got an orange with some green pinstriping. This thing is nasty. Look at this thing.
No, it's the plastic.
One of 900. Is this the first one?
Is that what, do you have the same?
Yeah.
This big carbon fiber. One with the LAA. That's sweet. I love the pinstriping on the diffuser. That's sweet. Literally every carbon fiber option is on this car. We got the front splitter. We've got the mirrors. Got the inside even. Got the side vent there. All their intakes, the wing. Alright guys, let's go. Let's go cruising. Some nice back roads. Today's gonna be a good day. So we got a little bit of a break here. We're letting people catch up. Just look at all these cars. Boy, what a convoy.
Somebody said they just called cops on us, but whatever.
Top down. This SVG sounds so good. I've never heard it in person before. This 720 spits flames. That's pretty sweet. Man, that sounds so good. Of course, we got the 600 LT Spider back there. Alright, so it's my turn to drive. And let's roll out. Well, we made it to our burger spot. I don't know if you guys can hear me because of my buddy's loud Murcielago. We ended up putting the top down, beautiful roads, but just take a look at how dirty the car got. I don't even know if the camera can pick that up in the sunlight. But the roads were great, so shout out to Saturn's Drives for another great road rally. And let's go check out some of the cars that have joined us. So we've got 3 Murcielagos that just showed up here at the spot. We've got this beautiful orange one. We've got this beautiful black Roadster. Then we got my buddy's white Murcielago. This Hellcat sounds so good. All black. Got the red calipers. Man, this thing's nasty. It sounds great. American muscle. Guys, check out this slammed R8. What do you guys think? Things low. It's gotta be dumped on air. Alright guys, let's go grab some burgers at Super Burger. Hopefully these are good and hopefully they got gluten-free buns. If not, I'm screwed. And then, after we get some food, I've got some news for you guys. I got some updates about my speeding tickets from a couple months ago. Alright you guys, so I got a little bit of an update on the tickets. So remember the tickets from about 2 months ago, something like that? I actually just got word a couple days ago from my lawyer that I got off. There's no record, there's no ticket, nothing. So both tickets were gone. So I'm super stoked about that. So shout out to my lawyer for that one. And well, Super Burger was fantastic as usual. We got a lot of supercars still here. We got a beautiful F430. This is one of the first Ferraris I fell in love with.
No, we just got together and take a drive, go for a burn. Fair enough. Are you guys up on River Road? Just the road just up that way? No, I don't know where I was. Okay. Area, yeah, it's nice. Yeah, you got nice cars and I know you want to do it, but we are out there, we are patrolling. Just keep it slow, keep it low. We get numerous accidents with people coming around the corners too fast, especially blind corners. It's for your safety as much as it is for the people that are in and around there.
And your name's Kyle?
Kyle.
Great name, man.
What's your last name? Okay. And what car do you drive? Is it an Ontario registered one?
Yes.
Where's the front license plate?
It fell off.
That's a lie.
It does. It's clips. I'll show it to you. It's on the front seat.
As long as it clips.
It's on the front seat.
Okay. Just make sure you guys are driving safe. I know you guys got nice cars. I drive not as nice of a car, but it's easy to let the
Oh,
pedal
it keeps
go.
up though.
Easy to catch up.
Yeah.
Don't you worry, with what it's geared with, I'll catch anyone.
Thank you.
Is that a challenge?
No. You go. You're gone. Why don't I just take down your name? Just say that I talked to somebody here.
Why is it the black guy?
Because
Seriously.
you were the talkative
You're the one who came up and talked to me. You asked my name.
guy.
You're the one who introduced yourself.
See? It's always the black guy that gets
See,
it.
now that's
Yeah,
racist.
you're the chatty one.
Always the dark guy, man.
It's okay, I'm African, I get
Hey,
that.
check the VIN on his car, make sure it's not stolen, man.
Which one's yours? The McLaren? No, I'm definitely checking.
Yeah, that's him. Yeah.
It's the gray one parked right over there.
Again, just a message for the group. We've got some complaints about some of the vehicles in and around here. While you're in the area, just drive
It was the
slow,
vet guys
especially
that
up
just
on
left.
the blind corners with trees. We get numerous motorcycles that aren't necessary. It may not be your driving, but
many
just take the
911
corners
calls?
slow. Okay?
How many meeting?
Only two.
Ah, son!
Which is the number of cars.
That was Saturn talking. So you're giving us an escort then, right?
Absolutely not. I don't want to be liable for that.
We just got here. We just came up 10 north and that's it. So.
Yeah, there was one guy actually on Snake Road.
Good one, bud.
This old guy comes out and like shirtless and
Topless, in the
stopped in the
middle of
middle of
the
the road
road.
and videoing everybody and screaming.
I actually called police
I
on
can
him.
see him
So
clearly
this guy
because
in
I
the
was
middle of
going
today.
Yeah. Yeah.
in front of me. Right in the middle of the road. Yeah. Just before the stop sign. Now that was dangerous. On the left hand side.
Yeah.
People who live in our area, like we know that that's a main road. It's a nice road to drive on. Like when you're going, it's very picturesque, especially this time of year.
How many times have you gone with the lights on?
I don't go fast around those corners. Absolutely not.
You don't want
No.
Park the car.
Yeah, you don't want to go fast in those corners.
I'm just gonna put my lights on, go in the middle of the intersection, close my eyes. Whatever way I go is whatever way I go. But in all seriousness, guys, just drive safe. Make sure that you're enjoying it. Again, they're nice cars. You guys probably deserve them all, but just make sure you treat them with respect.
Except for Dean, he still lives at home.
How else can you possibly afford these cars?
Exactly. See? How else can you?
He's hiding, walking away.
Have a good day, guys.
Thank you very much.
Good one. Oh man, that cop was funny. Shout out to Kyle from the OPP. Awesome cop. Very funny guy. And just giving us a little bit of a warning to keep the speed down. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did, make sure to crush that like button, crush that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Thank you.